Hey guys, it's me again. Just want to show you another walking stick that I'm working on. I'm doing this one with just a knife, a handsaw, and sandpaper. But they were cutting some trees down my neighbor's yard, and one of the guys gave me a piece of wood, see if I could do something with it. And now the wood turned out was started like this coating, with this coating. I don't know if you can see it well enough. I've already started carving with the knife. This, the handle, I still have a lot to do here. And as you can see, what I'm going to do is cut this slightly and this slightly, round it off, and sand this down. After I give it, I might leave it the same color, but I will polyurethane it or put just oil on it. I like the color of wood. So it's working. It's perfect for my hand. And I'll show you more of what I do. And this is another one. I like making walking sticks. Happens when you start getting older. You start hunching over, and I'm 6'3", and I speak to short people, so I'm usually talking down like this. So I keep myself entertained, keep myself sober. I do things one day at a time, and waiting for the beginning of next month so I could go on my off-grid move to the desert. Just stuff that I make and I sell online. So if you like it, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. But here it is. And thanks for looking.